Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop an image into oval shape in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show crop image into oval shape. Now go into the insert one option, then click. Now click for picture one option. Now find your picture in the draw folder. Now find your picture. Now click for picture option. Now select for insert option. Now this is your picture. Now this picture crop an image oval shape. Now going to the crop option. Now select from crop to shape. Now select from oval shape. Now crop from the image. That it's. Now you can see crop an image into oval shape in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.